MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hi students, today we'll prepare pharmaceutical inorganic compound. Title is to preparation of boric acid. Aim to prepare and submit boric acid. Experimental setup. The apparatus required are beaker, antical balance, measuring cylinders, butter paper, Bunsen burner, funnel, filter paper, tripod stand and wire gauze. Chemicals required: borax, sulfuric acid and water. The principle involved in the preparation of boric acid is it is prepared by adding hot solution of sulfuric acid to a hot solution of borax, whereby borax gets decomposed to boric acid. The solution is allowed to cool until boric acid crystallizes out. Then filtered, collect the crystals, store in a cool and dry place. The chemical reaction involved in this preparation is borax plus sulfuric acid plus water gives boric acid and sodium sulfate. The experimental procedure is as follows. Weigh about 6 grams of borax and dissolve in 25 ml of water. Filter if necessary. Then add 15 ml of sulfuric acid and water in the ratio of 1:5. Heat to boiling. The solution is cooled to get the crystals of boric acid. Filter, collect the crystals, dry and calculate the percentage yield. First, calculate the theoretical yield and then the percentage yield is calculated using the formula percentage yield is equal to practical yield into 100 divided by theoretical yield. The representation of the result is done in a tabular form. Name, molecular weight, synonym, ingredients, category, physicochemical properties, prepared at, manufacturing date and storage condition. Conclusion: boric acid was prepared on laboratory scale and submitted. Hi students, the title of the experiment is to prepare boric acid from borax. Aim to prepare and submit boric acid from borax. The chemicals required for this experiment are borax as a raw material, sulfuric acid and water in the ratio of 1:5 for decomposing borax to boric acid, and distilled water for preparing the solution. The apparatus required for this experiment are a spatula, butter paper, funnel, tongs, wire gauze, glass rod, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, water bath, filter paper, measuring cylinder of 25 ml capacity and an antical balance. Let us start the experiment now. First step is to weigh borax. Nullify the weight of the butter paper, then weigh approximately about 6 grams of borax. Now transfer the weight borax into a beaker. Next step is add about 20 to 25 ml of distilled water. Now we'll dissolve the borax under hot condition. After completely dissolving the borax, it is taken out and kept for cooling at the room temperature. After cooling the borax solution, now add 15 ml of sulfuric acid is to water in the ratio of 1:5. Now heat this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling for 10 to 15 minutes, put off the burner. Allow it to cool. First at the room temperature. After cooling to the room temperature, now cool it in a water bath for some time. After some time, we can see the formation of boric acid in the form of a white crystalline in nature. Now the next step is to filter the crystals. So we'll arrange for the filtration process. We'll fold the filter paper like this. One fold on one side and 3 folds on the other side. Keep inside the funnel. And filter. After the filtration process, we'll take out, dry the crystals. After drying the crystals, submit the dried product of the boric acid in a self-sealing pouch with a neat label. This completes the experiment, the preparation of boric acid from borax.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.